Apple just ditched titanium for aluminum, not because of cost, not because of overheating, but because they basically wanted to carve the iPhone out of a single metal brick. Yep, they're literally machining the 17 Pro like it's a damn MacBook, and the internet's been hyped over the wrong renders this whole time. So here's the wild part. All those gorgeous 3D glass camera bump renders everyone's been drooling over, wrong. Like, you studied for the wrong exam, wrong. Dummy units, wrong. Even Prosser's viral video with over 1 million views, wrong. The real iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be a unibody slab of aluminum, and the camera bump full metal. Apple's literally wrapping the antennas around it like a high-tech scarf so you can death grip your phone and still get bars, which is genius, but also suspiciously like what they did with the Apple Watch Ultra. And before you roll your eyes at antenna drama, this redesign means they can finally ditch those awkward top and bottom antenna bands that made the phone look like it had orthodontics. And this thing isn't just a material swap. The way they're machining it from the display side inward means the top half of the back is aluminum, the bottom half is glass for MagSafe. It's like Apple took one look inside the 16 Pro and said, we're out of room, rip out the walls. That frees up internal real estate for bigger batteries, larger camera modules, and that rumored 48 megapixel 5x telephoto lens. Oh, and whispers of an adjustable periscope zoom that goes from 5x to 8x, which, if true, means your eye zoomed in on the moon flex just got an upgrade. But also, bigger cameras means Apple needs a bigger bump, which means, you guessed it, your phone's about to look like it's wearing a backpack. Now, ditching titanium wasn't about making your phone lighter or cooler. Nope! Aluminum's just easier to mill, recycle, and remill, which is great for Apple's Earth Day slides, but also means they can make this exact design over and over without retooling. Also, remember that weird rumor about the Apple logo moving lower? Turns out it's not minimalist aesthetics. It's so the logo sits dead center in the new MagSafe window, because clearly the biggest problem in tech today is your logo being 2 millimeters off center. So here's a truth bomb. The real iPhone 17 Pro is an aluminum unibody beast with antennas wrapped around the bump, a big glass cutout for MagSafe, and a camera island that looks ready to host the G7 summit. The glass camera bump fantasy, dead. This design is about cramming in bigger sensors, bigger batteries, and bigger reasons for you to upgrade, while Apple smiles and says it's for better connectivity. And I'll be honest, it's clever. They're solving multiple problems with one industrial flex. And if you think milling a phone out of a solid aluminum block is peak overkill, wait until you see what Apple's got planned for the foldable iPhone. Spoiler, it might fold your wallet in half twice. See you next one. Peace out. Peace.